The meaning of plants. Camellia japonica, the Japanese camellia.
In some cultures, the Japanese camellia symbolises being calm, concentration, peace, excellence, understanding, and my destiny is in your hands. The Japanese camellia is the Japanese flower for the month of December. And this plant is also the official state flower of the American state of Alabama. The oldest living specimens of Japanese camellia to be found in Europe can be found in Campobello in Portugal, Caserta in Italy, and Pillnitz in Germany, all thought to be planted sometime late in the 16th century. In 701 AD, Japanese poet Sakato no Hitotari wrote this about the Japanese camellia in his anthology of poetry called Collection of 10,000 Leaves. He writes, "Camellia trees are lined up on Mount Kosa. Let us remember rows of camellia blossoms in the spring fields of Kosa by looking at these trees." The Latin name camellia means helper to the priest, and is thought to be named such in recognition of George Joseph Camel, a 17th century Jesuit priest who practiced pharmaceutical botany in the Philippines, where he spent more than 20 years trying to discover medicines from the local plants there. Although there aren't any known records of Camel working with camellias, it was still thought a fitting act for his work with plants as medicines to name the camellia in his honour. Thank you for watching this short meaning of plants video about the meanings of the Japanese camellia. If you liked this, please don't forget to click on the subscribe and the like buttons. Thank you.